Hi, we're Freshman Journal. I'm Alex.
I'm Summer.
Cody.
Jeffrey.
Alice.
Jamie.
Fresh Meat is an independent journal published by the students of the School of Architecture at the University of Illinois at Chicago.
We are published annually.
Our current issue focuses on describing the effects of image-sharing platforms like Instagram and ArcDaily on architectural culture and practice.
We hope to have this issue out via PDF format in the next.
The upcoming call asks us to examine the potential for architecture to embrace flexibility for the evolving future.
We hope to receive submissions from a wide array of disciplines and hope you will consider responding to our comments.
Oh no.